pack, Mama.
We are a pack.
So,
Gotta stay together.
Turn left into the parking lot.
Souvenir place.
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
Oh, here's the bridge. Oh, isn't that pretty? Okay, I'll hold it for you. Here, I want to take y'all's picture. This is absolutely gorgeous. The river. The crew. The waterfall. So we've taken a little detour to a lookout spot to go see the waterfall up there. Such a pretty trail. Trying to climb every boulder they see. If you can see the little parking area down there, that's the end of this little trail. So we're just gonna head back. This was such a nice trail to start with, especially with the kids. It's less than a mile. It's probably, I don't know, we've probably been doing this about 30 minutes. They've enjoyed climbing. It's not too cold here either today, it's 40s. It's supposed to snow later today. Look how pretty. All the views. Did you enjoy the trail?
yes.
It was so fun. What was your favorite part?
Climbing up the rocks.
Yeah. What about you?
Climb on a big rock.
Yeah. Moose and her baby, I don't know if you can see, he's behind that boulder. But we got better video of them up close to us. So I'll add that here.
My old picture of that.
you come down a little further to the west entrance, it's easier. It takes you straight up to the bridge. It's a little closer to the waterfall. It has started to snow. Turn left here.
Okay.
It's snowing. You can barely see the mountains back that way now.
Y'all see the elk?
Yeah. There's lots over there.
Trees.
Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
15.
12, 13 that I
I
see.
only counted 10 of them.
Well, they're about to come out, so
10.
count them as they come out, Jordan.
I counted 13. 12. There's like 3 bucks over there. 13. One man. Mickey Mouse. There's 11, 12. There's 12 of these. If you'd like to follow us on our journey, please subscribe.